Okay, doing a little video, something different, being in the real world and all. Kind of called How Not to Take Care of a Fire Truck. This is E1, retired in 2013. It's now 2023, so in 10 years, the people who have bought this truck destroyed it to the point where we can't fix it. It's not worth the time and the effort. So it is being used to put back together 3, which is in better condition. Let's go through all the things that they did. There's about a ½ inch of silt in the pump, and they winterized it with engine coolant. No, not like RV motorhome waterline antifreeze, just regular old engine coolant. They parked it outside, so all the gauges are either broke or inaccurate. The back seat is rotted out. This used to be safety yellow, now it's closer to white. Got a dent in the front. One reflector is broken. This one, the cap, the lens was good, so I took that. But obviously it was half full of water. The wood cribbing that the fire department used to line all the compartments is rotted out. Originally, it had obviously different batteries, but you can see the ground, my foot, through the battery box because they rusted out. Instead of fixing it, this one just doesn't have one. On the other side, they put a piece of plywood in the bottom. Actually, here, you can kind of see the original color because I took that axe bracket off to use as a spare. That was not so bad, actually, all things considered. Here's a better example. SCBA cylinder compartment is pretty much rusted through. Before I forget, they beat up the rear bumper pretty well. Did some grade A wiring. That green piece there broken mirror is that door plate. The air horn chain was, well, present, hanging loose, broken on the one end. Now, some of this I took out. Like, I took out the, you see those wires poking out, I took that piece out and whatnot, but in 10 years, they destroyed this truck. Luckily, I have engine 3, which is only actually very similar, just same color, same chassis, same pretty much everything, just a couple of years newer. That one taken care of. That one's good. And that one will be showing up for real world stuff on the channel. Pumping and hose lays and that kind of stuff. So you'll see 3. But this is 1. And 1's going away, as I said. Where the red coolant is still dripping out. It was stored with water in it over winter. Or at least car antifreeze in it. Pump panel's actually not so bad. However, see this little flat spot? There were vice grips holding that drain closed, so E1's time has come. But E3, as I said, lives on, so not all is lost. Actually, one last look. Hope maybe you can see. Oh yeah, you can see the sweet plywood battery box we built. Because it was too much effort to take care of our stuff and, you know, park it inside, or at least under a canopy somewhere. Other than that, thank you for watching. Something different.